Ever wondered why some people effortlessly draw others to them, while you struggle to make meaningful connections? The answer might surprise you. In this video, we'll unveil 15 powerful techniques that can transform your social interactions and skyrocket your influence. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss the shocking revelation about how a simple act of memory can make people instantly gravitate towards you. Don't let these game-changing secrets slip through your fingers. Subscribe now to unlock the keys to winning people over in any situation. 1. The art of active listening, your secret weapon. Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about fully engaging with the speaker. When you truly listen, you make others feel valued and understood. For example, imagine a manager who always remembers details about their employees' lives. This simple act can significantly boost team morale and productivity. 2. The importance illusion, making others feel significant. Everyone wants to feel important in their own story. By treating others as the main character, you create a powerful connection. Think of a skilled networker who remembers small details about each person they meet, making them feel uniquely valued in a crowded room. 3. The reliability factor, building trust through consistency. Consistency and reliability are rare qualities that people deeply appreciate. By consistently following through on your commitments, you become someone others can depend on. Consider how a colleague who always meets deadlines and keeps promises quickly becomes indispensable to their team. 4. The calm in the storm, mastering emotional intelligence. Maintaining composure in tense situations can set you apart. This skill is particularly valuable in high-pressure environments. For instance, a crisis manager who remains calm and solution-focused during a company emergency often emerges as a natural leader. 5. The respect revolution, communicating with dignity. Respectful communication, even in disagreement, can win people over. It's about understanding others' perspectives without necessarily agreeing. Think of a skilled diplomat who can negotiate with opposing parties by acknowledging each side's viewpoints. 6. The authenticity advantage, being genuinely you. In a world of facades, authenticity stands out. Showing your true self, quirks and all, can create deeper connections. Consider how certain public figures gain massive followings simply by being unabashedly themselves on social media. 7. The humility halo, the power of graciousness. Humility and graciousness can make you more approachable and likable. Admitting mistakes and showing appreciation for others' contributions creates a positive atmosphere. Think of a CEO who publicly credits their team for successes, fostering a culture of mutual respect. 8. The honesty hack, disarming others with truth. Being honest, even when it's difficult, can quickly diffuse tension and build trust. For example, a politician who candidly admits to a mistake often gains more public trust than one who tries to cover it up. 9. The example effect, leading through actions. People are more likely to follow your lead if you demonstrate the behavior you expect. This is particularly effective in leadership roles. Consider a fitness instructor who lives the healthy lifestyle they promote, inspiring clients through personal example. 10. The confidence charisma, balancing assurance and humility. Confidence without arrogance is a powerful attractor. It's about being secure in your abilities while remaining open to others. Think of a successful entrepreneur who confidently pitches ideas while actively seeking feedback and collaboration. 11. The body language blueprint, nonverbal communication mastery. Your body language speaks volumes. Maintaining open postures and engaged eye contact can significantly impact how others perceive you. For instance, a public speaker who uses confident, open gestures often connects better with their audience. 12. The support strategy, offering help proactively. Being supportive and helpful can make you invaluable to others. This could be as simple as offering assistance before it's asked for. Consider a coworker who voluntarily helps onboard new team members, quickly becoming a respected go-to person. 13. The gratitude game changer, showing genuine appreciation. Regularly expressing gratitude can strengthen relationships and boost morale. This could be through simple thank you notes or public acknowledgments. Think of a manager who consistently recognizes team efforts, leading to higher employee satisfaction and loyalty. 14. The common ground connection, finding shared interests. Discovering shared interests or experiences can quickly build rapport. This technique is especially useful in networking situations. For example, a salesperson who finds a common hobby with a client may find it easier to build a lasting business relationship. 15. the face-saving finesse, preserving others' dignity. Allowing others to save face, especially in public, can earn you tremendous respect. It's about handling potentially embarrassing situations with tact. Consider a teacher who privately corrects a student's mistake rather than pointing it out in front of the class, fostering a safe learning environment. Mastering these techniques can dramatically enhance your ability to win people over, opening doors to new opportunities and relationships. If you're intrigued about how these social skills can contribute to a lifestyle of success and influence, keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to get there and what surprising insights may await you along the way. Don't forget to click the link in the description for exclusive content on advanced social dynamics and personal development strategies.